Roadtrek has taken dry camping or boondocking to the extreme. With the use of lithium batteries, they're able to power up this RV without you being plugged into shore power or using a generator. It's amazing how they do this process, and they chose lithium batteries for a few different reasons. First, they're lighter and smaller, so it'll take up less weight in your RV. Second, they'll last a lot longer before needing a recharge. They say you can use up to 80% of the battery before requiring a recharge. Then once you do need to get recharged, they recharge at a much quicker rate. Most batteries take a certain amount of amperages, and that's it to recharge. Well, lithium batteries will take as many amps as you can to recharge, which takes that time down a lot quicker. Recharging your batteries, they use 3 different sources. Obviously, if you're plugged into shore power, you use that through your inverter, which will charge up batteries. Also, they have an underhood generator, which runs off your engine while you're driving. That also charges your batteries. Then you'll have the solar panels, which is not meant to recharge your batteries, but to help maintain the batteries while you're boondocking.